Hi, I am TJ, and I've been an OPTAVIAN for over 10 and a half years now. In my early 40s, I was living with two autoimmune conditions, rheumatoid arthritis and Hashimoto's thyroiditis. One affects the joints and the other affects the thyroid, and both can bring a lot of pain, fatigue, foggy thinking, and crippling. By that time in my life, I was also no stranger to yo-yo dieting. I started my first diet when I was 12. And over the years, I had tried so many things. We were raising two amazing teenage daughters. We had horses, we raised and put up hay. We stayed busy with sports and church. Life was full, but I was running on empty. I remember standing in the back of a pickup truck, dreading the moment I'd have to jump down, knowing the jolt would send pain through my bones. Shaking hands at church made me wince. Loud sounds, bumpy car rides, extreme sensitivity to hot and cold, even the weather, it all hurt. But I just kept going, quietly bracing myself through it all. I started this program like many do, wanting to lose some weight. And I did. I released 53 pounds in about 5 months. But something else happened. I began to feel awake again. It didn't take 5 minutes anymore for my feet to stop hurting in the morning. My brain fog lifted. I could think more clearly, more and more easily, and I felt hope again. I had been on several medications to manage inflammation and pain, each with potential risks. So I went to see my rheumatologist and asked if all of this change was just because I lost weight. He said it wasn't just the weight, it was the habits of health, low glycemic eating, proper hydration, balanced movement, restful sleep, stress management, and consistent nutrition. He reminded me that these small daily actions added up. He said I'd always have RA, but that my healthy habits were helping reduce my symptoms, and that he'd only need to see me if something came up. That was 10 years ago. I haven't needed to go back since. Last year, I saw a new general practice doctor. While reviewing my records, she asked, "Why did you mark that you have RA and Hashimoto's? You show no current markers." I smiled. I'll always respect the diagnosis, but I also respect the habits that changed my life. Today, at 57 years young, I'm chasing around three beautiful grandkids and enjoying life more than I ever did in my 40s. The only fog in my house now is a little dust, but that's because I'm too busy living life to worry about it. Thank you for letting me share my story.